Hi guys, here we're at Henwick Road level crossing in Worcester with Joe, Hello 5, Online Frog, Adam and Will. There we go, now the time is 13:17 on Saturday the 23rd of January 2016. This is for our 1319 1 Max 66 London Midland service from Hereford to Birmingham New Street. Yeah. Oh god, the police have showed up. Everybody be good. Don't do anything stupid, the police are here.
That's the popo.
Right, which way for our train from Hereford to Birmingham New Street.
More like that. Be good, because and you got told off at Woodstock for standing on the track. I'll go back over. You get back over here. Run, 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 run. Adam.
Here she is. We've got 17507. 17507 to 17504 to Birmingham New Street via Bromsgrove.